we have these two angles here. Angle ABC is equal to 30 degrees and angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. Now let's add these two angles. So ABC plus PQR is equal to 30 degrees plus 60 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. So these angles add up to 90 degrees. And there is a special name for such angles which add up to 90 degrees. They are called complementary angles. So complementary angles are the angles which add up to 90 degree, or the angles with some 90 degree. So these two are complementary angles. So any two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. So now, can you say which of these angles are complementary? Well, let's add these angles and check. 53 degrees and 47 degrees. So 53 degrees plus 47 degrees is equal to 100 degrees, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Hence, these angles are not complementary. 28 and 62. 28 degrees plus 62 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So we can say that these angles are complementary angles. 45 and 135. 45 degrees plus 135 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So these are not complementary. 45 and 90. 45 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 135 degrees. Hence these are also not complementary. So only one pair, that is 28 degrees and 62 degrees, add up to 90 degree, and hence these two angles are complementary angles. When we have two complementary angles, then each angle is said to be a complement of the other angle. So angle ABC, which is a 30 degree angle, is the complement of angle PQR, which is the 60 degree angle. And the other way round, angle PQR is said to be the complement of angle ABC. So we have these two angles, 35 degrees and 65 degrees. Let's add these two. 35 plus 65 gives us 100. So these two are not complementary. Let us find the complement of this angle. So the complement of 35 degree angle will be an angle which, when added to 35 degree, will give us 90 degree. So complement of 35 degree plus 35 degree will be 90 degree. From this, we can find this. So complement of 35 degree is 90 minus 35 degree. 90 minus 35 is equal to 55 degrees. So the complement of 35 degree angles is 55 degree. Now let us find the complement of this angle. Complement of 65 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 90 degree. So the complement of this angle is 90 minus 65, and 90 minus 65 is equal to 25 degrees. So the complement of 65 degree angle is 25 degrees. So now, can you find the complement of an angle measuring 7 degrees? Well, let us say the complement of the angle measuring 7 degrees is C. So C plus 7 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. We need to find the value of this. So C is equal to 90 minus 7, which is 83 degrees. So the complement of 7-degree angle will be an angle measuring 83 degrees. So we can find the complement of any angle by subtracting it from 90. Now, can two acute angles be complementary? Let's check. We take two acute angles, say 50 and 60. These are two acute angles. Their sum is equal to 110 degree, which is not equal to 90 degree. So these are not complementary. Let's take another pair. Say I take 40 degree and 50 degree. They add up to 90 degree. So these are complementary angles. So acute angles may or may not be complementary. In some cases they are, in some cases they are not. So if we have two acute angles, we cannot say for sure whether they will be complementary or they will not be complementary. Can two right angles be complementary? Right angle is an angle measuring 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree, which is not equal to 90 degree. So two right angles can never be complementary. What about two obtuse angles? Obtuse angles are the angles greater than 90 degrees. So let us take angles 110 degree and 150 degree. These are two obtuse angles. Let's add them. We get 260 degrees, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Let's take smaller angles. We take 91 plus 91, which is equal to 182 degrees, still not equal to 90 degrees. In fact, take any two obtuse angles. We have x, since it is obtuse, it is greater than 90. We have y, since it is obtuse, it is greater than 90. If we add these two, the sum of x plus y will be greater than 180 degree. So the sum can never be 90 degree. So two obtuse angles can never be complementary. In fact, as soon as we have one obtuse angle, we cannot have complementary angles, because one obtuse angle itself is greater than 90 degree. So with another angle being added to it, the sum can never be 90 degree. So each of the two complementary angles is acute, but not any two acute angles is complementary angles. So if we have two complementary angles, we can say for sure that the angles are acute. But if we have two acute angles, we cannot say for sure that they will be complementary angles. Now add these two angles. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees. Angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. So 120 plus 60 gives us 180 degrees. The sum of these two angles is 180. What about these two? 100 plus 80 again gives us 180. So we see that each pair of angles adds up to 180 degrees, and there is a special name for such angles. They are called supplementary angles. So angles with sum equal to 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. So these two angles which add up to 180 degrees are supplementary. Now, can you tell me which of these angles is supplementary? Well, let's add them and check. 153 plus 47 is equal to 200 degrees. which is not equal to 180. Hence, these angles are not supplementary. 28 plus 62. 28 plus 62 is equal to 90 degrees, which is not equal to 180 degrees. Hence, even these are not supplementary. 45 and 135. 45 degree plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Hence, these are supplementary angles. 75 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 165 degrees, not equal to 180 degrees. Hence, these are not supplementary angles. So, of these four pairs, only this pair forms a pair of supplementary angles. Now, we have these two angles which are supplementary. So, each angle is said to be a supplement of the other angle. So, ABC is the supplement of angle PQR and PQR is the supplement of angle ABC. These two angles are 90 degrees and 65 degrees. Their sum is 155 degrees. Hence, they are not supplementary. So, let us find the supplement of each of these angles. Supplement of the 90 degree angle will be an angle which, when added to 90 degrees, gives 180 degrees. So, we can find the supplement by subtracting 90 from 180. So, the supplement of 90 degree angles is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. Supplement of the 65 degree angle will be an angle which, when added to 65 degree, gives us 180 degrees. So, S is equal to 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65 is 115 degrees. So, the value of the supplement of 65 degree angle is 115 degree. So, we can find the supplement of an angle by subtracting it from 180 degree. Now, can you find the supplement of an angle measuring 27 degrees? So, in order to find the supplement of the angle measuring 27 degrees, we need to subtract it from 180 degrees because their sum is 180. So, the supplement of 27 degree angle is 180 degree minus 27 degree, which is equal to 153 degrees. So, this is the supplement of the 27 degree angle. Now, can two acute angles be supplementary? Let's check. We take two acute angles, 60 degree, 50 degree. Their sum is 110 degree, which is not equal to 180 degrees. So, they are not supplementary. Now, let's take bigger angles. Say we take 89 degrees and the other angle also has 89 degrees. Their sum is 178 degrees. 89 plus 89 is 178 degrees. It is still not equal to 180 degrees. Let us generalize this. We have an acute angle X less than 90 degrees, another acute angle Y which is also less than 90 degrees. Their sum X plus Y will be less than 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree. So, their sum will always be less than 180 degree. So, two acute angles can never form supplementary angles. Can two right angles be supplementary? Well, right angles are angles measuring 90 degrees. So we add two 90-degree angles. We get their sum as 180 degree. So yes, two right angles are always supplementary. So two acute angles are never supplementary, but two right angles are always supplementary. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Again, let's take some values. We take 110 and 150. Their sum is 260 degrees, which is not equal to 180 degrees. So these obtuse angles are not supplementary. Let's take smaller values in order to come close to 180. So we need obtuse angles. So let's take 91 degrees. And the second one also has 91 degrees. We get 182 degrees. It is still not equal to 180 degrees. So even these are not supplementary. Let us generalize this. We have an obtuse angle x greater than 90 degree. Another obtuse angle y greater than 90 degree. We find their sum. Their sum is x plus y, which is greater than 180 degrees. So the sum of two obtuse angles is greater than 180 degrees. So they can never be supplementary. So as soon as you take one angle as obtuse, you have to take the other angle as acute to form supplementary angles. So if one angle is obtuse, the other angle should be acute in order to form supplementary angles. So what we get is that supplementary angles are formed in either of the two cases. When we have two right angles, or when we have one acute angle and one obtuse angle. So one of these must hold if we have supplementary angles. Now what is the difference between a linear pair and supplementary angles? Well, linear pair angles are angles which are adjacent and whose sum is 180 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles with sum 180 degrees. So we see in case of linear pair, there is an additional condition that they have to be adjacent. So if we look at these angles, first see these two angles, 140 and 40. So 140 plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. So these angles are supplementary angles. These are also adjacent and add up to 180. So these are also a linear pair of angles. Now what about these two angles? They add up to 180 degrees. So both are supplementary. But they are not adjacent. So they do not form a linear pair of angles. So supplementary angles and linear pair of angles both add up to 180 degrees, but two angles which may or may not be adjacent form supplementary angles, but to form a linear pair, the angles have to be adjacent. Now look at these angles. Angle CBD, which is this angle, and angle ABD, which is this angle. CBD is 80 degrees and ABD is 100 degrees. So they add up to 180. Hence, they are supplementary. But we can clearly see that they are not adjacent. so they do not form a linear pair. So we can say that the linear pair angles are always supplementary, but supplementary angles may or may not be a linear pair. In fact, supplementary angles will be a linear pair only if they are adjacent.